What's up guys, Joey here, Fugatech, and entering the sub 10,000 peso battleground is Xiaomi's new Redmi 9, not to be confused with the Redmi Note 9. If you were looking for that phone, check out our review right here. Going back to the Redmi 9 though, this guy's sporting a Full HD display, a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset, up to 4GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage, and quad rear cameras, and not to mention a huge 5020 mAh battery. So without any further ado, let's get this guy out of the box, shall we? Lifting up the lid, first we get a smaller box that contains our SIM ejector tool as well as some paperwork, our free case. Moving on below that, we get the Redmi 9 itself. And finally, we have the wall charger and of course the USB-C cable. Close to 200 grams, it's a hefty device and you can definitely feel it. It's solid, robust, but at the same time, it actually looks pretty good. The back panel is not made of any reflective material, so no need to worry about fingerprints. It's matte plastic with ripples starting from the rear camera area. The front panel is home to a 6.53-inch IPS display with a resolution 2340 by 1080 with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The bezels are relatively thick by today's standards, especially the bottom one, and on top it utilizes a water drop notch to house the 8-megapixel front camera and the speakerphone. The left side contains the card tray with dedicated slots for 2 nano SIM cards and the micro SD card, which is nice. On the right we have the volume rocker and power button. At the bottom we get the headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. Up top, the secondary noise cancelling microphone as well as a Redmi staple, the IR blaster. Checking out the back, we have the quad cameras with an interesting setup. 3 of them are in one module in the middle along with the fingerprint scanner, and we have an additional one in a separate module along with the LED flash. The rear cameras in question are a 13-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 5-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth. In front, it's an 8-megapixel camera. Check out some of our initial sample shots here. Powering the Redmi 9 is a MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core CPU with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU, along with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage. For battery, we get a 5020 mAh cell with support for 18W fast charging, which is great. Running the software department is MIUI 11 on top of Android 10, but MIUI 12 is definitely coming soon for this device. In the Philippines, the Redmi 9 is priced at 6,990 pesos for the 3+32 variant and 7,490 pesos for the 4+64 variant, both of which are great prices for a phone with this hardware. We're gonna see what it can really do, so do stay tuned for our full review. Now, what do you guys think about the Redmi 9? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit fugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and guys, stay hydrated please.